Hello guys, why I made this video today because there's so many friends out there asking me how I put this 1/5 scale monster truck wheels into my X-MAXX. Okay, first we talk about the hex adapter. The original one is 24 and for this wheel is 22 millimeters. So I cut every side here into 22 millimeters. Alright, so you can see here I put it on the wheels. You see that it just fit. We just done off the hex, and for the wheels we need to cut here beside here because this hole of the hex is more deeper than the original X-MAXX wheels, so we need to cut the beside here until it's just same level as the hex, just flat beside here, just flat. Alright, we need to do this for 4 wheels, and for the real wheels you just cut it off to the flat and you can just put it on and just fit. And for the front wheels we have another thing to do is this, each single corner we need to cut it off 10 millimeters deeper, more deeper. Okay, and we're done of the wheels. Now we talk about here the carriers. Here you need to cut here the corner, a bit of corner, and here it's 45 degrees. Just take a close look. I remove the screw with screw from below and I put a nut. If I don't put a nut, it's too long here, it came out from here, the whole of here, because I just cut it 45 degrees. So I've cut it to 45 degrees so the wheels can spin, and the screw of here you need to put nut on. Okay, I just put the wheels, you can see that. And for the nuts you must buy this xmaxx nut. Only this nut can fix the whole of these wheels. See here, it's fit so beautiful. Just put it on and I show you how I done this. This is my first time to making video. So many friends out there just asking me to make a video because they don't know how to do this. I talk about the wheels. Just wait a second. It's just, you can spin around, test it. No wearing. It's good. Take a close look. Okay. Take a close look. You see that? You see right there? It's just fit. Okay. And this wheel is the SSP 1/5 scale monster truck wheels, and the size of the hex is 22 millimeters. If you buy the rampage 1/5 scale monster truck wheels, for the racket is the 23 millimeters. So you just do the same thing. You just cut the hex off each side into 23 millimeters. Just done like that. Alright. Thanks for watching.